Hello kids, now we'll learn alphabet A from C and number 1 to 3 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's get started. A B C 1 2 3 A 1 A for apple, 1 apple. B 2 B for banana, 2 banana. C for coconut, 3 coconut. Thank you.